Hello and welcome back. We're going to explore the analytics section of your account where you will find real-time data to give you a better understanding of both your individual promotions performance and your overall account's performance. You can easily see optimization opportunities, identify your ROI, and combat purchase barriers your customers may have. Please note though, no analytics will show up until you have a promotion live. Once it is, the data will begin populating your analytics section. If you are a new viewer, we recommend starting with the video, Getting Started in Your Justuno account. Now, let's get started. Click here on Analytics and you will have several options. We're going to explore a few of them. In Dashboards is your overall account's performance. At the top, you can filter the data for all traffic and visitors, or separate it, desktop versus mobile, and new versus returning visitors. At a quick glance are information about the numbers of emails collected, clicked engagement your promotions have had, the number of views your promotion had lasting longer than 8 seconds, and other engagements that include push notification subscriptions, Facebook Messenger, and more. Hover over this icon to see more information about that particular section. Beneath that is conversion information. Please note you will need to install the conversion and cart embed code on that specific web page for this data to be collected. To do that, go to your account settings, embed code. Here you will find the instructions on how to install it correctly. Now let's head back. An important section on this page is the ROI for Justuno. First, you'll see the revenue that was collected by visitors who did not engage with a Justuno promotion. Then the revenue collected for visitors who did engage with a promotion. And at the bottom is the combined total. Justuno's analytic dashboard breaks down all major KPIs this way. In the promotions section are analytics specific to your promotion's performance. Listed in this section are your top performing ones based on the date range you set up here in the right-hand corner. Automatically listed are the last 30 days. You will be able to view your promotion-specific data from the Promotions Dashboard page or from the table at the bottom of the Promotions Analytic page. Just click the promotion thumbnail under Live Promotions or the name in the table to the right. Head to Promotions Dashboard page. Click here to view the performance for each individual promotion. In website performance, there are different tabs to explore. Promotion performance, conversion, email collection, cart abandonment, and engagement and impressions. Provided are definitions of what is considered an impression versus an engagement and the importance of each. Compare platform averages to website averages. To explore the analytics section further, there is a dedicated section on the Justuno Help Center that breaks down each page. Understanding your analytics will allow you to optimize your marketing strategy, identify strengths and weaknesses, and make effective changes to guide your client's business to success. Thank you for watching.